They sit on thrones wearing suits and ties, sending others to fight, to bleed, to die. With a grin on their face, they watch from afar. When the world burns down, they say it's not our war.